Understanding grinding teeth, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, grinding teeth. This is a common expression in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can be really helpful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting phrase. Grinding teeth refers to the physical act of moving one's teeth against each other, usually producing a scraping or grating sound. This often happens involuntarily while someone is asleep, due to stress or other factors. It's a common condition known as bruxism. In a figurative sense, grinding teeth can be used to describe someone who is enduring a difficult or stressful situation with determination. For example, during the exam period, she was grinding her teeth to make sure she passed all her subjects. Here, it implies perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. Let's look at some examples. 1. I saw him grinding his teeth in his sleep. He must be really stressed. 2. We've been grinding our teeth trying to meet the project deadline. These sentences show how the phrase can be used both literally and figuratively in everyday language. In English-speaking cultures, grinding teeth is a phrase often associated with stress or anxiety. It's not typically used in a positive context and can sometimes indicate a need for medical attention or stress relief strategies. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of grinding teeth in English. Whether it's used literally to describe a physical action or figuratively to express perseverance in tough situations, it's a vivid and expressive phrase. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.